That's the old circuit rider here, and kind of wanted you to see something here. There's the visitor center for the Hoover Dam. It's 113 degrees here now, and I mean to tell you, even the breeze is a blast. And I'm not used to this, and I'm kind of big for my age. And we climbed up here, and I'm still standing, so we don't have too far to go. We got just a little ways to go here. We'll be at the top. And I kind of took it kind of slow. And we're gonna overlook the Hoover Dam here and take a few pictures and so forth. But the boss beat me up there, but I'm trying to keep up with her. I'm acting like I'm filming, so she thinks I'm doing something, you know, but I'm really slowing down. Anyway, okay, we'll see you. We'll be clear, and we'll try to catch you later.